Yes, this is the first important Samsung device to launch since the recalled Galaxy Note 7. No, it didn't catch fire or blow up. That's the first question we've heard when mentioning that we're reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. Its 6,000 mAh battery is slightly bigger than the Tab S2's 5,870 mAh, but it's still undersized next to the power packs in the iPad Pro 9.7, around 7,300 mAh, and Google Pixel C, around 9,200 mAh. In our testing we felt like the Tab S3 had above-average battery life, enough to last a long-haul flight across the US if you wanted to watch a couple of movies and do some work. Running a 90-minute HD video at nearly full brightness drained the battery by 13%, leaving us with 87%. Samsung says the Tab S3 has enough juice for 12 hours of video playback, and that claim is just about backed up by our testing, with 30 minutes difference between what we saw and the official estimate. There's a battery saver mode that can help the Tab S3 reach this benchmark, which could make all the difference when you're not next to an outlet. You can recharge the Tab S3 quickly, for a tablet, when using Samsung's adaptive fast charger, which comes in the box. It's the same one that comes with newer Samsung flagship phones, so you may soon have two, plus one for brand loyalty. It took 2 hours and 55 minutes to go from 0% to 100%, beating Samsung's 165 minutes claim by 10 minutes.